Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Excel to explore 3 powerful methods for calculating total sales. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Summing sales by product name with SUMIFS formula. Our first method involves using the versatile SUMIFS formula to efficiently sum sales by product name. Imagine you have a dataset neatly organized with columns for products, sales, and regions. Our goal? To find the total sales for a specific product, say apples, using SUMIFS. We input the formula in cell D2. Type equal to. Type SUMIFS bracket. Open. Select sales range. Type comma. Select product range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type apples. Inverted comma close. Bracket close. Press Enter key. This formula sums sales in the sales column where the corresponding product in the product column matches apples. And just like that, Excel swiftly calculates the total sales for apples. Method 2. Calculating total sales by region and salesperson. Moving on to our second method, let's explore how to calculate total sales by region and salesperson. Our data table includes columns for region, salesperson, and sales. Our objective? To find the total sales for the East region sold by John. Using the SUMIFS formula, we input. Type the formula. Type equal to. Type SUMIFS bracket open. Select the sales range. Type comma. Select region range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type East. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select salesperson range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type John. Inverted comma close. Bracket close. Press Enter key for result. This formula sums sales where the region matches East and the salesperson matches John. Excel works its magic and computes the total sales for the specified criteria. Method 3. Calculating total sales greater than 100. And finally, in our third method, we'll learn how to calculate total sales greater than 100 using SUMIFS. Our data features columns for product and sales. Our task? To find sales amounts exceeding 100. With the SUMIFS formula, we input. Type equal to. Type SUMIFS bracket open. Select sales range. Type comma. Select sales range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Greater than. Sign. Type 100 inverted comma close. Bracket close. Press Enter key. This formula sums sales where the value is greater than 100. Excel efficiently calculates the total sales exceeding 100. These methods showcase the versatility and power of Excel formulas in analyzing and summarizing data. Whether you're managing sales data, inventory, or any other dataset, Excel's formulas can make your tasks much easier. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy Exceling!